Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of LEGO with a must-have accessory for any Star Wars fan. The building boat stand for LEGO X-Wing Starfighter. This isn't just any stand, folks. We're talking about the best LEGO X-Wing stand available in the market. Let's break down why. First off, let's talk about compatibility. This stand is a multitasking marvel. With connection points designed to fit 2x4 bricks, it's compatible with a wide range of LEGO X-Wing Starfighter models, including 75,301, 75,273, 75,297, 75,218, and 75,235. And hey, it's not just for X-Wings. It's also an awesome display for LEGO Y-Wing Starfighters like 75,249 and 75,172. Now, onto the build itself. This stand measures about 3.15 inches long, 3.54 inches wide, and 2.36 inches high, making it the perfect size to showcase your LEGO creations. With 50 durable parts and smooth edges, you can trust that your models will be safe and secure. And let's talk about quality. Each stand is fully tested before shipping, so you can purchase with confidence. Plus, the seller, Building Boat, offers top-notch customer service. Have a question or concern? They've got you covered. In conclusion, if you're a LEGO Star Wars enthusiast looking to showcase your X-Wing or Y-Wing Starfighters in style, look no further than the Building Boat stand. With its unbeatable compatibility, sturdy build, and top-notch quality, it's the best LEGO X-Wing stand on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy building!